Let's see if this works. If I call her, if she'll come swimming. Amiga. Amiga. Amiga, come. Amiga. Amiga, don't be a deaf dog. Amiga, come. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, come on. Amiga, come. No, come on. Swim over here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Well, maybe. Come on. Amiga, here. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Well, so much for swimming. There. Okay. Good girl. Good girl. You came. You didn't swim. Now maybe she'll swim. Okay. Robert wants to see you swim. There, she's going to swim. Yeah. That was a short swim. Yeah. There's the Radio Shack. Yeah. You going to swim again for Bob? I wonder if these used to be anchors for, I don't know, a buoy or part of the marina, or who knows what it used to be. They're dry now. You know, they're huge pieces of concrete with great big steel connectors in them. Okay. Amiga, you gonna swim again? Come on, swim for Bob. Amiga? Well, she swam when we first got here. And I had my radio session. Okay. I figured if I'd come stand out here on the island and call her when she was over there, she'd swim across, but that didn't work out. Amiga, come swim. Hey, Amiga. Amiga, come. Come on. Amiga. Oh, selective hearing. Amiga. She says, let me be. Amiga, swim for Bob, and then I'll let you play. Okay? Come on. There's not any ducks here to tease her. I think that's who taught her to swim in the beginning, was the ducks. There, I can zoom in a little bit. There, Amiga's swimming. Doing the doggy paddle. Her back doesn't go under. Yeah. I don't know if she's completely, I see she's stirring up the bottom. Yeah, that's a good girl. Yeah. Yeah. Just by special request. Yeah. Let's get going. Zoom back in. There, now she's actually swimming for Bob. Hey. Hopefully Bob's still watching. I have to tell Bob, you have to watch for 5 minutes until you get the real swimmer in. There. Now she's actually swimming. There's still lots of birds, but not near as many as when we were out here before. We were out here before, I had made 50-some voice contacts SSB right away, and now I struggled to make 10. I think I'm going to do some FT8 next. Oops. I slipped off my... Yeah. Now she swam way... that's a nice... good swim. Yeah. There we go. That's a good girl. Yeah. Amiga, that's a good girl. Amiga did a nice swim for Bob. Yeah. So I'll zoom out. Yeah. Okay. See. Oh, out there. Okay. Okay. She shook all the water off way out there, way over there, huh? Zoom back in. Okay. Okay, Amiga, I'm gonna go sit and have my soda and take a break for a few minutes, and then maybe do some FT8 or maybe some more park-to-park hunting. We'll see how it goes. Okay? And hopefully, Robert, you enjoyed this video. Okay?